Hey everybody, this is Matt here. In this video, I'm going to discuss with y'all a problem which you may encounter when using Movavi Video Editor 2026, and that is adding a portion of a clip to the timeline. And I'm going to hopefully show you what may cause that here. If you're having that problem, I hope this is the solution, I should say. Okay, now you can see I have a few clips open here in the program. They're all up here under the project files, and you can see there's this one clip here on the far left up here. That's the clip I'm going to use for the example here. I'm going to now click it, and I'm going to now show you that there are start and end points. There's one on the left and one on the right there, okay? So I'm now going to click on the start point on the left. The start end points, you can see are like little bars that are on the left and right hand side of the clip. And I'm now going to click the one on the left, okay, and I'm going to drag it forward. I'm going to click the start point and drag it a little forward. Alright, and now I'm going to click the one on the right, the end point. There, I'm going to click the end point on the right and move it towards the left, towards the start point. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going into secondary click it and add to the timeline. So I'm going to click add to the timeline and at the beginning. Click at the beginning. And you can see that the clip is roughly 4 seconds long. Now let's simply watch this clip now. So I'm going to click the play icon under the preview pane. Okay, that's a nifty clip. You can see it's a really cute little northern pintail duck. And I'm going to now move the mouse pointer up here and click the clip, primary secondary click, I should say, the clip there of the northern pintail. I'm going to secondary click it and move the mouse pointer down and click file information. And you can see that under file information, the duration is 11 seconds. Okay, so I'm now going to close that prompt box and do the same thing with the clip on the timeline, which is roughly about 4 seconds. As we can see there under the preview pane, see about 4 seconds. I'm going to click it now. I'm primarily going to click it, and now I'm going to secondary click it. Click about the file, I should say, and click file information. The duration is listed as 11 seconds. Which is incorrect. That's a slight bug in the program. And now I'm going to close the prompt box. Okay, so now I'm going to delete the clip on the timeline. I'm going to secondary click it, and now move the mouse pointer up and click delete. Okay, so now we want to watch the full clip. Okay, so I'm going to move the mouse pointer up and secondary click the northern pintail clip there on the far left. I'm going to secondary click it. And click now, I'm now going to click clear start and end points. I'm going to click that now. Perfect. Now the clip's gone back to its full length. So now I'm going to secondary click that clip and move the mouse pointer to add to the timeline, and I'm going to click at the beginning. And it's at the beginning of the timeline, and the position indicator is all the way back at the far left. Now you can see the clip is its full length. It's roughly 11 seconds. So now I'm going to press the play icon under the preview pane so we can watch it now. Okay, that's really neat. That's a real nifty feature of the program. Now, as I always say, try to back up your files to digital storage or online storage. Use a flash drive or a external hard drive, or better yet, try to find an online storage space where you can put it. Also, you can clear the start and end points for all the clips if you've set start and end points on all the clips. I'll just quickly go through this now. I'll click the clip on the left. Okay, I'll click the start point on the left and drag it forward a little. I'll drag the one on the right towards the left a little. The end point, I'll drag the end point towards the left. Okay, now I'm just going to go through all these and randomly pick start and end points, okay? Okay, perfect. You can see I've added start and end points on all the clips. You can see that. I can just mouse on all, and you can see there's start and end points for all of them. But now I want to clear all those, so I'm going to click the one on the left, hold down the shift key, hold down the control key, and I'm holding down the control key to select them all. Okay, I'm clicking on them to select them. You can see they're all selected now. Now I'm going to secondary click and click clear start and end points. Perfect. Now they're all back to full length. Okay, now if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will answer all I can, and I will definitely do my best to get back to you when I can. Okay, thank you all for watching, and thank you all very much for your time.